Okay, well, good. Now I don't want to have the. I know the clock is ticking, and we're now 5 minutes away from our last Git commit.
9 minutes. Oh no.
Okay, so back to the code.
All right, let's do it. Well, we definitely don't need 1 plus 2 plus 3.
Now, okay, this is. Maybe we'll actually get to implementation code, but you used visual mode there to highlight a couple lines and then delete them, right?
I did. I didn't
Isn't that
say
the whole point of Vim? 2DD.
Well, so what you're suggesting is 2DD. What I actually did was visual line mode JD. It's the same number of commands. Now I do have a justification here. If you look, unfortunately, I'm using QWERTY layout. I used to use Dvorak, but I switched back. And I think you're a Dvorak user, right? So this won't apply as much to you because J is all kinds of inconvenient on Dvorak. But anyway, if you look at 2DD on a QWERTY keyboard, you're reaching way up to 2, which is 2 rows above home. That's bad. So that's the 2. And then DD is the same key twice, which is actually slow. When you are really a quick typer, hitting the same key twice is slow. If you look at Shift V JD, Shift V is easy for me. I do a lot of shifting. And V is a little inconvenient, but then JD is both home row. So overall, I think this is a faster keystroke.
And this is a relevant revelation to me. You would say that hitting DD, the same key, is slow because it's the same finger that has to then repeat, whereas JD, you've got 2 different fingers and it's less than a single keystroke.
Right, because by the time, when my right finger hits J, my left finger's already going down to hit D. Because if you type, say I type about 120 to 140 words a minute times 6.5 characters per word divided by 60 seconds, that's 13 characters per second. It's not like one key goes and stops and the other key goes and stops. They're all moving all the time. So this does make a difference.
Okay, yeah, that's informative, and you obviously thought through that one day and experimented, figured it out. Okay, back to actually.
All right, this time I will say 4DD.